Hey guys, welcome to video number 4. Oh my god, I am almost at number 6. I still have 5 and 6. Hopefully I will be able to do 7 today. If not, I'm just gonna go ahead and do number 4. I am here still in my old apartment. I did give a tour of this apartment when it's full because I still have everything in here, and pretty soon, as soon as I get the one next door, I am going to give a tour of it when it's empty, because I think it's more better when you see it empty instead of full, because it's right next door. I don't have to worry about it. Like, I don't have to go so far to do my videos. This one is just right across. So as soon as that becomes available, that I'm able to move into it, I will give a tour of it when they give me the okay and give me the keys, and then I have to go and I have to sign some papers. But like I said, I am not staying in these units. I'm only here temporarily until I can find something. But really quick, I did give a tour of this house that I'm in right now, so you guys would want to go see that video. Matter of fact, I gave a tour of 3 houses. One was the Airbnb. One, I think 2 of them is from an Airbnb. And then the third one is the, I think they're all, no, it was the one that we were looking for. That's the third one, I believe. But I did do 3 tours of the other houses, not mine's. But there's 3 other houses that I gave a tour that I was staying in. It was Airbnb apartments, houses, not apartments, houses. But this is mine. This is my actual house. I did give a tour of it. And I gave a tour of it when it was full. I have all my stuff still in here. The one that I'm waiting for is the one, like I said, is right across from me. So I'm still waiting for the okay on that. But since Trump has signed some papers for cutbacks, so I'm not able to get that apartment just yet until I get the okay and sign some papers, and then I will be able to start moving that way. But like I said, I'm going to give a tour of it when it's empty, not when it's full, because I don't want to move in and then give a tour. I want to do it when it's empty, because then you'll be able to see how big it is and how nice it is. And it's not all that nice because I think the floors are kind of messed up, so they're going to go back and fix that. And I got a new refrigerator, because this one that I have is broken. I don't like this refrigerator because I don't like the handles on the side. It's right here. You see how the handle is? I don't like that. So I got a new refrigerator. And I'm able to take my stove with me because it has the digital clock and everything on it. And I like that. That one is plain. So they're going to take this stove and put it on that side, which I'm excited about because I like my stove. And I know there could be other better stoves, but this one I like because it's digital. And it's new. It's still new. This stove was put in last year, so it's still brand new. So I want to keep this one. So they're going to swap these 2 stoves, and I'll be able to keep this one, and they're going to bring that one over here. And then that way, when they fix this unit, I probably won't be able to give you a tour of this unit, but I'm going to do it when it's empty. When I move everything over on that side, when I get my stuff over on that side, we're going to clean this unit. I'm going to clean it. He told me not to do it because they're going to tear it apart anyways, but I'm just going to clean it because I want to show you guys how it looks. I probably won't have to clean it because I'm going to sweep it, but just so that you guys can see how big it is when it's empty. So it's not all that big because I barely can fit any of my stuff in here, but I did give a tour of it if you guys want to go look at it. And hopefully you guys can get a good sense of how, you know, the apartment is, because there's no washer and dryer in here, like I said, and there's no dishwasher. So some houses do have it, some housing do have it, but these ones don't have it. So this is probably why I think everybody's moving out of here, because they're probably tired of spending money going across the street to use the laundromat. And I don't blame them because I hate it. But if you're one of those that is looking for housing, look for one that has washers and dryers, because this is terrible. Money we don't even have to go and wash clothes. We can't even do that because we don't have the funds. This is, you know, this is not something that you're going to want to get into. These units do not have washers and dryers. Unless they put one in, then. But For now, they're not, I don't think they're going to put one in because apparently the water's not all that great. So, yeah, these don't have washers and dryers, just so you guys know. So, if anything, make sure you guys do your research on, try to find one that has washers and dryers. If not, try and get a house or something, because this is not something that I wanted to get into. And I didn't even know that, because I was living in housing in Chicago and I had a laundromat and I had to sell my washer and dryer because apparently they didn't allow it here, which was a mistake. That was like the biggest mistake I've ever did, giving up my housing in Chicago. But then it had to be done. I had to do it because there was too much problems over there anyways. So I ended up giving up my housing in Chicago over there as well. And I ended up moving to Florida, which I'm not going to be here that long. I'm just here for temporarily, because I know I say this in each of my videos of me staying temporarily. But I mean, I'm hoping, that I'll be able to just move and then find an apartment that has washer and dryer. I am so anxious right now to getting my own house. But in order to do that, I have to find a legit permanent job. So, and there's not a lot of them out there. I mean, if you guys know anything that has a permanent job, let me know. Because I'm looking for permanent. And I'm looking for something that can train me. And I've thought of Amazon, but my daughter's been there, and they told me the Amazon in Davenport. It's not in Davenport. Hold on. It's not in Davenport. Who's calling? I don't know. Somebody's calling. I'm not going to pick it up because it says potential spam. But my daughter went to Amazon, and apparently they don't keep people there. So some jobs don't keep you. And I've noticed that with Amazon, and I've noticed that with Walmart. Some jobs they don't keep you very long. And I'm not going to get into it as to why, because I don't want to get anybody in trouble. So I'm just going to keep it to myself. And hopefully, hopefully they'll change. And if I can move somewhere where there's a store nearby besides these stores, because I don't do registers. I'm bad at registers. So I don't do registers that well. So I'm going to go ahead and hopefully find something that's going to be training, that can train you. Because if I can get back to warehousing, I could do warehouse, depending where and what kind of warehouse. Because I was thinking about, if there's a warehouse that does training, I would love to get into something like that. But I would love to also get into something to work from home as well. Because I am looking for working from home so that I can build my funds and I can build my, hopefully be able to build a business. So that's something that I want to look at too. Because when I get a house, I want to build a she shed. A she shed where I can put my business into it, but in my own yard. That's what I want. A house that has a she shed in it. So I'm hoping to get something like that as well. So if you guys know anything about that, let me know. So somebody got something from Walmart. I don't know. We'll see. And hopefully, I don't know what's going on. It's a Walmart store. There's a Walmart bus here. Somebody might have ordered something from Walmart, but we'll see, because this is something new. I've never seen that before. And I'm trying to see where they're going with this. And there's a Walmart van, guys. I didn't know that. This is something new to me. Let me see. And they stopped by me, and there's not too many houses here. I'm trying to see what this Walmart is about, but let's check it out. I'm going to show you guys the van. see that? There's a Walmart van there. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a Walmart there. Can you guys see that? I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a Walmart right there. A Walmart van. I don't know. Hello. I think you can look up there. I think it's somewhere on my side. There's 2637, depending, because some of these apartments are empty. So you might have to look for an address. I think it's next door. You can check it out. I think it's next door to me. So yeah, guys, look at that. There's a Walmart van. And there's that truck. Awesome. So they do deliveries. That is so cool. Anyway, let me see. There's a Walmart van. So cool. It is so cool. Oh, he left. It's beautiful today. It is beautiful today. You found her?
Yeah.
Yeah. So without further ado, guys, I have to go. And I'll see you guys on my next channel later.